In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two websites that will pay you to teach or answer questions online. Depending on how consistent and committed you are, you can earn at least $100 monthly. And if you combine both platforms, you can actually earn more. So a quick disclaimer before we go on. So I haven't used any of these platforms extensively myself, but I have done my research and got pretty good reviews about the platforms. And that's why I'm confident to talk about them, right? Also, both platforms do not require that you make any financial commitments, just your time. So I think it's worth, checking out, because at least you're not going to be committing money, right? Before we go on, welcome back to Smart Skills Up TV. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as always. But if you're just stumbling on this video, you're stumbling on our channel for the first time. This is Smart Skills Up TV, and here we talk about how to make money online and also about a lot on sales, marketing, and paid advertising as well, right? So kindly hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos just like this one. And then at the end of watching this tutorial, if you find it valuable, please hit on the like button and also share it with people in your network who will also benefit from getting this knowledge that you're going to be getting here as well. So one more thing before we proceed. This website is not going to be a good fit for everybody, right? So it will be mostly beneficial for people in the academics who have specialized knowledge in topics like English, mathematics, chemistry, physics, and other subjects like that, right? But then even if you're not a teacher, you can also get this knowledge and then apply it to answering questions or doing the other thing. But then again, one of the two websites actually welcomes people to upload their study documents. So all of us have been students at one time or the other, and we have study materials, right? So one of the things you can also do for one of these websites is to compile your study documents, your class notes, and actually upload it to this platform. So it can actually be a good fit for both people in the academics and people who have been students at one point or the other, or people who are even students right now, like you're a university student, you've been in secondary school. So the first platform we're going to be looking at is called Study Pool. So you go to Google and type in Study Pool, and it's going to be bringing you here, right? So it says our innovative live learning platforms combines video chats, interactive tools, and collaborative workspaces to create a rich, rewarding one-on-one session with students. So this is basically a platform that connects students with tutors, right? But how do you earn? You can either become a tutor or you can sell documents and earn money. So we are just going to navigate to the platform. So this is how the platform looks like. But the first interface you're going to be seeing is the one for students or for people who are actually coming here to look for study materials or looking for tutors, right? So we're going to be clicking on the part that says sell docs, right? So click on sell docs. Then it brings us here. It says earn money by sharing study documents. So earn passive income, sharing documents with millions of Notebank subscribers. You can earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So this is not actually something you have to do and then you're paid monthly. It's actually as you go, right? So as you upload those documents and people actually see the documents and they like it and they use it, you get to earn $10 each time. So this is actually amazing. So it says we accept docs in all languages. So if you have documents you've written in maybe your local language, you can actually upload it here and sell. And if you have those documents written, remember that of course you have to actually write them out online and then upload them. So of course you're not going to be uploading the physical copy. It's not possible, right? So you have to actually now write them out and then upload them. Then it goes through a vetting process. So let's click on start sharing documents now and let's see the process. So of course you have to sign up first. You can sign up with your email, then get a username, enter your password, and then create your account. All right. So let me just sign up with Google and then let's check out the process together. So I'm going to select one of my email address. So you're going to be seeing a terms of service. You can actually read through it and then click on agree, then click to agree to their terms of service and then click on I agree. So here we are supposed to choose a username and then we enter a school. So for this one, let me just change it from this name here and then add maybe 26 and then choose the school. You can actually enter any school, or maybe enter the name of your institution if you're still in school. All right, so I'm just going to put the name of my school. Okay, and then click on continue. So here you can actually upload your real picture or use an avatar. All right, so let's say I want to go with this one, and then we'll just click on continue. So it's going to bring us here, homework Q&A. So tutors can help with all types of, basically we've created an account now. So what we actually wanted to do was to upload a document. So I'll click on continue. All right, so notebook, search out at the database and blah 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 blah. So I'll click on done. So it was just trying to give us like a walkthrough of the platform, but what we really want to do is to upload a document. We want to look at how the process of uploading a document will look like. Okay, so we'll go back again and click on sell docs, and then we'll scroll down and we would see some instructions on what we can actually upload. So we can upload quiz or exam preparation documents. So practice text, exam preparation materials, and study guides can be a helpful resource for students. You can also submit old assignments, class notes, multi-language content, right? So you scroll down and then we'll click on upload files, right? So you can actually earn up to $10 for every document viewed. So once a student sees your document, of course, it means that you're going to be going through it. You're going to be earning $10 each time, right? So what's this maximize earning? Let's check it out. So it says, so this is what to do and what not to do. So if you upload high quality documents, so you should upload high quality documents. Your document should be clean, professional, and free of typos. So your document should also have details and they should be meaningful. Then the don't upload low quality, bad titles, duplicate content, copyrighted content. So you want to ensure that these documents are actually your own documents. So these are good content examples, right? So this means that in as much as these are going to be like maybe your study materials, they still have to be properly arranged, right? So they also said that documents are typically processed within 48 hours, but they can take longer depending on the volume, right? So after reading all the instructions, you can now come here and upload the file that you want to upload. So before you actually come here to upload your document, of course you must have prepared the documents, written it out, and ensuring that there is no typo and that it is original content. So once you upload it here, you can now go on to carry out the other processes. Your book will be here, and then each time that a student views your book, you're going to be earning $10. That's actually amazing, right? So this is something you can do in your free time and you'll be earning money for it. So you can also just browse through the website and see how you can enter your payment details and all that, right? So if you're in Nigeria or in other African countries, this might actually require that you have a Payoneer account or a PayPal account so that your payments can be paid in there. All right, so but of course there are other platforms you can also use to get international payments and all. There is Grade.co, there is this other one, like I can't really remember right now, but then expectedly you would need to have this account to be able to collect your payments in dollars, right? Then the next way you can actually earn on this platform is to become a tutor. So let's check it out. So click on it and you can actually earn money by answering students' questions. So with a study pool tutor account, you can freely switch between student and tutor mode and enjoy the benefits of tutoring on study pool, such as lowest service fees. At 20%, study pool charges the lowest service fees in the market. We like to give our tutors what they earn. So what this means is that when the students pays them, they actually remove only a little part or only a little percentage of the overall amount that the student pays them, and then they pay the rest to you, right? Then this is reliable income. You can actually make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. So that's why it said that this is actually not for everybody. It's only people who have in-depth knowledge in specialized subject areas. So this platform actually prioritizes original content and quality content. So you just can't come here and dole out anything that you just got from ChatGPT. The platform will even know. So it is better you have in-depth knowledge in whatever it is that you're going to be, sharing with the students here, because people actually give reviews and students might actually give bad reviews if they find that your content is either not original or you're not even sure about what you're teaching them, right? Then another benefit is that you have full freedom and flexibility. You can choose when to work and where you want to work. So there is no boss, no office, and no quotas. You can create your own schedule. So this is one amazing thing about the online space, your ability to work flexible hours without having to, have anyone tell you this is when, this is the deadline, but you just have to be committed to what you're doing, regardless of the fact that nobody is actually on your toes to get you to do the things you need to do. All right, so you have to be committed and you have to be disciplined. So you can now go on to apply to become a tutor. So you apply for a tutor account and start earning money by helping fellow students. So even as a student, you can actually help fellow students. So you don't actually have to have a BA or a BSc and all of that, right? So you can just click on apply now and see how the process is and what you need to do to get a tutor account. So if you're committed to this, you can actually earn a lot of money every month or even every day. All right, so that's about Study Pool. Then the next platform I'm going to be looking at is by Nigerians and for Nigeria. So it is a Nigerian platform that you can actually teach even your local language, right? So let's look at it. This platform is called Sabi Teach. All right, Sabi Teach. So Sabi is actually a Nigerian pidgin word, right? And then the add teach, making it Sabi Teach. So this is how Sabi. So you go to Google and type in Sabi Teach, and then you're going to be seeing their website. So it says you can apply to teach. So it's also an opportunity to earn money online, working from home. You can become a partner, and then you can tutor mathematics, physics, chemistry, numeracy, and all of that. So we're just going to be checking out their website by clicking on it. Here it says teach, earn, and grow. Register to teach today and start your journey to become a great teacher. So you don't even have to apply for a teaching job. So if you love teaching, if teaching is your thing, you don't even have to apply for a teaching job in one big secondary school before you can actually start earning money. Isn't this amazing, really? So you can just come here and then, apply and then start to teach the subjects that you're good in. You can teach English, you can teach Yoruba, you can teach Igbo, Hausa, and subjects that you are very good in. So let's explore the website, right? So of course you need to sign in, and here we have popular subjects. So this is maybe for students, right? So we have mathematics, we have this number of tutors, we have this number of English tutors, this number of chemistry tutors, we have IELTS, we have physics, verbal reasoning, coding, Yoruba language, biology, accounting, and all whatnot. So you can just go on to explore all the languages. They also have online courses, and I'm thinking that here people who create online courses can also upload their online courses and get paid for them. Then they have one-on-one session and they have group classes as well. So if you scroll further down, you're going to be seeing some courses that they have. So you're going to be seeing why many Nigerians fail IELTS module. So these are basically more of IELTS courses. You can also create your own English course, around, different subject areas, even mathematics, and then upload it here and earn money, right? So you actually earn in Naira for this particular one. If you scroll further down, you're going to be seeing top rated teachers, right? And these are their ratings and the students that they've had sessions with. So I'm sure that you don't know about this website before now. And I believe that you would be interested if you love teaching, right? So we also have other courses here. Okay, we have upcoming group classes and their prizes, right? So you can actually explore this website and see what it can offer you and how you can actually earn money on this website. So this is actually genuine, this is actually legit, and you can explore it. And thankfully, you don't have to pay to create an account. Just create your account and start to do what you know how to do best, right? Another thing you can also do to get more information or more knowledge about how best to use these platforms is to go on their YouTube channels. They would have tutorials there showing you how best to benefit from their websites. This is also applicable for Study Pool, right? So you can just check them out on YouTube, check them out on their socials, right? Their social media handles, and see how other people are utilizing the platform to actually make money. All right, so this is very valuable information, and I believe that you've gotten immense value from this tutorial. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please quickly do that. Hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos like this one, showing you secret platforms you've never known before that can actually earn you a lot of money in the online space. And please do not forget to like this video and also share it with someone who would also benefit from watching this as well. All right, and this is where I'm going to be pulling the curtain on this particular tutorial, and I'll see you in subsequent ones. Bye for now.